Have you been hitting your goals, hustling, making it, but you're not happy? You are the reason you're not happy. This video will make you happy if you stop and celebrate.
It's my East China. I'm an expert global business solutions expert and your real estate success strategist known as the mayor of thousands.
Welcome to my daily insights into my daily quotes with my ace, where I give you a longer, deeper insight into my daily quotes for deeper secrets for your accelerated results.
And today's quote says, stop often and celebrate how far you've come. Excessive obsession about how far one still needs to go can often blind one from seeing how far one has come. If you cannot stop and celebrate, you've been blind, because you'll be seeing your goals and target and you'll be going from one target to the other, but you've not been seeing your wins, and that's why you are not confident. Because the greatest source of confidence is winning, and it's only when you are conscious of your wins in the past, you celebrate your wins in the past, you review your wins in the past, you soak in your wins in the past, you appreciate your wins of the past, that your life begin to become rich with confidence. And Tony Robbins will tell you the greatest way to get the best life of your dream is through appreciation. The more you appreciate, the more life appreciates for you. So if you don't stop to appreciate and celebrate how far you've come, you will not have the energy, the drive, and the confidence to still go how far you need to go. And remember, life is a never-ending journey. So you think you're going to celebrate at the end of the journey, you end up going to celebrate at the end of life. And at the end of life, you will not get out of life alive enough for you to celebrate, because Gibran says, stop taking life so seriously, because none of us will get out of life alive. So stop and celebrate and stop being so serious on your target. And there are these 6 things that if you celebrate, I assure you, your life will be richer, you live more appreciative, and your life will grow. The first is your aha win. Aha moments are moments of epiphany and revelations that make us learn something or understand something we hitherto didn't understand. And these moments are so precious that they are called eureka moments, where you shout and say, aha, I've gotten it. And you need to stop and celebrate that. Like in real estate, when I started real estate, it seemed like a slow and steady industry, and sometimes it feels so counterintuitive that in the story of the tortoise and the hare, the tortoise wins. To every other person, the tortoise is too slow. So I used to feel that until God showed me the epiphany of how to compound money in real estate and become richer, surer, and faster than most industry, that I shouted, aha, and I celebrated that, and I knew from that day that I will never be poor again. The second thing you need to celebrate that most people overlook is her habit wins. When you start a new habit after 21 days, celebrate that habit. If you've not been exercising and you want to start exercising, and you exercise every day for the next 21 days, on the 22nd day, do not exercise. Stop and celebrate. Eat, binge, do anything you want to do, but come back the next day and continue your habit. But celebrate the habit and be grateful for the habit. For there are some people trying to get a new habit in the last 10 years and has not been able to get one. The third thing you need to celebrate for you to stop and celebrate for your life to be richer is tier promotion wins. When you have been at thousands of dollars and you've never been able to break through to the next tier of promotion, which is millions of dollars, the first time you move from thousands of dollars to millions of dollars, stop and celebrate it so much. The difference between thousands and millions lies far above the thousands, because I have a quote that says the difference between $1 million and $999,000 is more than $1,000. The ring of the millions and the sound of it and the feeling of it is more than $1,000. So when you move from $99,999,000 to $1 million. Stop and celebrate. And the more you celebrate the millions, the more you attract the millions. Because what you celebrate, appreciate. The fourth thing you need to celebrate for your life to move forward and for you to live a rich life is your investment wins. There is no investor that never loses money. So when you invest and make money, stop and celebrate the win. It is true investors invest $1,000 and they make $100. They celebrate not the $100. They celebrate the 10% because they know that the investment that gave me $100 on $1,000 can give me 10 million on 100 million. So that joy of investment win goes beyond the indices or the units and into the percentages, because they know with a proper investment vehicle that is simple, secured, and sustainable, every percentage is a huge win. The fifth that most businesses should celebrate, because business is a sell or die affair, is your sales target wins. I've seen people target $1 million in sales and they hit the $1 million and immediately begin to target $10 million in sales without stepping back and celebrating the sales target they hit. When you hit a sales target, you step back and celebrate. And recently, we hit our sales target that made us close the investment stages into the Alessa Highland Sustainable Green Smart City and are going to start the curating of the unit sales after our world-class layout and unique designs are ready. And that win made me celebrate so much that we even stopped and closed sales for a while for us to celebrate the sales tonight, because if we don't celebrate that sales target, we won't attract the next level of sales target that also help us win big. The last but not the least, every goal that is special to you, stop and celebrate it. If you've always wanted to get married to a beautiful woman and you get married to a beautiful woman, don't only celebrate the wedding, stop and go for the honeymoon. If you always wanted to buy a nice phone and you finally buy the model of the phone that you love, don't just buy the fee, stop and celebrate the phone. If you've always wanted to change your beard shape or size and you wanted to grow a beard and you finally grown that beard, stop and celebrate it. Just like the guy in Manu, the Manu fan that has always wanted to keep his hair until Manu win 5 straight matches. When we win 5 straight matches, he's not just gonna cut his hair, he will celebrate the cutting of the hair, and the whole of the internet will celebrate with him because it will be a celebration sensation. So any goal that is special to you, keep a special celebration along the goal that will not make you only celebrate and enjoy the goal, but celebrate and enjoy the memory of the celebration, because when life is all over, life is just a collection of memories, and it's the only beautiful memories that we'll celebrate, that we'll remember. The terrible memories will be lost in the sand of times. So tell me in the comments below, which of these have you not known you needed to celebrate for your life to move forward and you've not been celebrating? For me, it was the special goals wins. I'm a goal-oriented person and I always have goals. And after each goal, I used to feel guilty that stopping to celebrate the one I've achieved without looking for a new goal was a problem, because those of us that are goal-centric begin to always have a North Star that we are always chasing. That every time in life we're chasing something and never celebrating or eating something. When I discovered how important it is to celebrate my special goal wins, for every goal I win, I celebrate, and I never stop celebrating my special goal wins. I'd like to know which one you missed in the comment below, and with this video you stop, celebrate. And remember, our quote for the day says, stop often and celebrate how far you have come. Excessive obsession about how far one still needs to go can often blind one from seeing how far one has come. And if you've not yet liked, subscribed, and turned on the notification bell in this channel, then I will not celebrate you, because once you have subscribed, you are how far I have come, and I celebrate you. Click and I'll celebrate you. And if you failed, click. Failure is my fuel for success. And to see a video that will teach you how to turn your failure into your biggest competitive advantage, click on the link above and I'll see you on the other side.
Lele Pinky is super duper amazing that you found my content valuable enough for you to watch till the end. Only 5% of exceptional people do that. You're exceptional and I deeply love and appreciate you. Hey, Lele Pinky! Don't just watch to learn, watch to take action. And the first action is subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our daily value action. Remember, only doers are winners.